Yo, today on my show, I got the hot joints, man, coming to you right now. I'm gonna do an unboxing right now of what they call, the so-called, from what's his name, the barber man, from Frank the Barber joint, from Babylon's joints. It's hot. I already heard it's hot. I already know. I know what Babylon can do. So I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna do an unboxing right here in the spot. Let you know. Let me start it off with a little salute to one of my homies. Yes. This right here is the real joint right now, understand? The real hot stuff coming at you, understand? So I'm gonna rock this joint, this bad boy right now, open it up, and give you a taste of what, what's it all about. If I can open this bad boy. So right now, we're gonna just try to get this thing open. Goodness, it packed this thing tight. So I'm opening this bad boy, look inside. Yo, look at this bad boy. Okay, it's like a coffin and shit. It's like a coffin, you know what I'm saying? A coffin for the what? The resurrection of the hottest joints on the planet. Because Babylon used to suck the big one, and now they're the hottest joints on the planet. So, nice. Now we're gonna resurrect these bad boys and bring them to life. Popped it up, pop it out. Oh my goodness. This thing is gorgeous. This thing is so sexy. You gotta feel it. You gotta feel it. This thing is really hot. I'm telling you, man, this joint is hot and oh my goodness. Woo! You can feel the power shaking in my hand right now. You have got to get one of these bad boys. Of course I come with these bad boys. No, I know. But I'm saying, you know, you gotta know. You know what I'm saying? These bad boys are hot. Check it out. The DLC, the DLC blade in the back. Come on, man. It's like, this is just totally vicious, man. You know, it's black, it's beautiful. Got that purple, I call it my purple rain slippers, you know what I'm saying? These bad boys hot because they be raining supreme, you understand? These bad boys are totally hot. Check it out. Also inside the box, put this right here. This total power here, man. You can feel it inside the box. I'm always having this box. Here we go. Oh shoot, there's a whole thing in there. Okay, we got the instruction manuals inside of here. And everything on the side here. We got, of course, the cord here. American version here it is. You know what I'm saying? Got the bottom piece down here. If you want to take the purple off the bottom and make it black, it's right here. Okay, we got like the, you want to change the blade and alter your blade. You got pieces right here. You want to just change it, adjust it. The blade setter right here. This is the blade setter right here. The blade setter, and then the bottom of it sets the blade, zero gapping, whatever you want to do to it. Of course, your clipper cover, small brush, and of course, the infamous, goodness, these things are like impossible to pop open, man. They pack the hell out of these bad boys. Let me see. And of course, you got the Babylon's key right here. Key on the key ring right here with the screwdriver joint right here, just to hook yourself up, get it ready however you want it. This is totally hot, man. This thing is absolutely rocking right now. You got everything you would possibly ask for. This is the joint. This is like going on, man. Think about the bad boy. You gotta get one of these bad boys if you're into cutting. You cannot tell me today that you're a barber in 2021 and you don't have a Babylon. Understand? You can say all the things you want to say. You can put all the other ones out if you want to. But until you got this bad boy, you don't know what the heck you're doing back there. You're cutting stuff, but you're cutting, prematurely or like a little kid like that. You got to come up to the pros, bro. Try to spend a little bit more. Get this bad boy right here. It is really worth the money, man. I'm going to do a cut demo. I'm going to pump it out a little bit later on. You'll see what it's all about. But right now, let you know, this bad boy is hot. You need to get one of these bad boys. It is so, I'm telling you, it's literally shaking my hand. The power in this bad boy is just ferocious. The sound of, like that, it's like a pit bull biting shit, it's coming at you. Shit is coming strong. You need to get one of these bad boys. I'm telling you right now, it's worth the money. Get one of these bad boys. I want to do a versus battle, okay? On the next video, I'm doing a versus battle with the FX3. I do FX3 for a bad boy. Versus my purple rain, baby, right here. You understand? You're gonna be battling each other, okay? I'm gonna do 2 cuts. You're gonna see both of them, whatever. You're gonna do a comparison on both sides. map right up here, you're gonna see the Baptist, whatever, the Baptist Purple Rain one, and on this side, you're gonna see the FX3, okay? I'm letting you know the place to be. This is Ty Star Barber World, the new Ty Star Barber World with the Master Barber table right here, okay? This is the place to be. If you are in the clipper world, you ain't that do with clippers. Whether you sell them, whether you cut hair, whether you design shit, whether you create and invent shit, this is the place to be. If your item is hot and it's not here on Ty Star Barber World, it doesn't exist, baby. It don't exist, okay? You cannot be this if you're not here on Ty Star Barber World. You cannot be whatever this if you're not here on Ty Star Barber World. Everyone, this is the place to be. This is the meeting point around the world. You understand? It's like the main fucking, the main airport where all of them connected to Chicago. You understand? The same place. This is the place to be where we all connect. Okay? If you're hot, bring it here. Okay? You can also go on Instagram and check my Instagram site. Like, you want to send stuff out this way, I will test it out and I'll put it on here and I'll give you an accurate review about the products. Okay? Then you know it's popping like that. Your man Ty is out to say, yo, peace.